Hello and welcome to Ingrevo. We provide essential, affordable, and user-friendly digital tools for cosmetic manufacturers to simplify cosmetic formulation and manufacturing. In this video, we will guide you through using the Journal module in Ingrevo. To access the journal, log in to Ingrevo, click Manufacturing on the main menu, then Journal from the sub-menu. The journal is a versatile tool for storing notes, ideas, and much more. Here's how you can make the most of its features. Inserting content. The journal allows you to handle various types of content. You can type and store your notes as text. It also supports adding images either by dragging and dropping them from your device or entering a URL. Additionally, you can upload files directly from your device. Formatting and customization. The toolbar in the journal offers a range of options to format and customize your content. You can insert or modify hyperlinks with the ability to customize the display text, add tooltips, and choose to open the link in a new window. To add emojis, press Windows + on your keyboard. You can align your content to the left, center, or right and format your text with bold, italics, underline. The journal also lets you apply different styles like headings, quotations, code blocks, and standard paragraphs. To organize your content, create ordered, numbered, or unordered bulleted lists. Editing and saving. The journal makes editing simple. Quickly correct mistakes with the undo and redo buttons. Plus, it automatically saves your notes, so you never have to worry about losing your work. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use the Journal module in Ingrevo to manage your notes efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact the support team via the Contact Us page or email us at hello@ingrevo.com. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on updates, and leave a like or a comment below if this video was useful.